Greetings TikTok marketers, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you the best free TikTok hashtag generator tool powered by AI, and here's the tool from 4ppo.com. I'll leave the link down below, and here all you have to do is enter in a short description of your TikTok video and it will automatically generate the best hashtags for your video. So here's some example right here, some underwater diving in the Bahamas, and then you can select a content tone of your video like casual, positive, and you can select up to 3. So I'll do like joyful, positive, and casual. Click on AI generate TikTok tags, and down below you will see it will give you the top 5 hashtags for you to use in your videos to get the most amount of views. Again, it is powered by AI, and here are other hashtags that you can also choose. And there are more TikTok AI powered tools at 4ppo, like video descriptions, titles, and more social media tools. I'll leave the link down below. Check it out. Everything is free and unlimited. Thanks so much for viewing, and until next time, happy TikToking.